grab
just
it.
roll it. Huh? John, let me see.
It's a little bit
Little bit hard.
It's a little bit.
Put the, yeah. Okay. Roll, catch it, okay?
Come here.
Meron nga. Meron. Wow, good boy. Another one.
Ay! Ay!
Look at that. Naglay nga, guyo dahil.
For how many mo na yan?
9.
9.
Ika natin. Nagatuti, nagoy di supuriman na niyo. Nagtagselin jo. Yeah. 9. Ika 9 already. Oh, isublita jitan mo na. Look at that, nagtagselin.
10. Let's go for
What do you think? It's heavy? It's pulling?
it is pulling.
It's pulling daw ano?
But it's pulling and not pulling at the same time.
Yeah. Tumatayo ka ba si tatamalo mo puso na?
Come to me. The
Yeah.
cat went away. The cat went away.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, you went there. Huh? Right? Wow.
So but that's 10 na mo na?
Wow, look at that.
It's big na.
You got your 10?
It got a boo-boo there.
Yeah.
It got a boo-boo there. Oh, yeah.
Hold on, you wait na.
Yep.
Oh, you got 9.
Got yours.
Lala! Look at my birthday!
Daddy's first catch
Ah,
today.
This is my happy day! Look at that!
So, Mommy,
Nagdakkelan siya!
that's his fish.
Nagdakkel ka lang mo isan!
That's
Huh?
pretty small.
Wow!
That's this. Wait, we can make that. We can put that inside.
Yun, ha? You got it?
Oh yeah.
You got one?
Yeah, it's moving when I.
You heavy? I think so, yeah. Baybayok-yok. Yeah.
Maybe I get a small fish.
No, that's heavy. That's big. I think so. Gonna get a monster fish before we go home, okay? I got nothing. You all
That's it.
yours.
And
Yeah.
then you got a small fish.
I know. Wala pa akong nahuli. Siman lang nakahuli. Kaya na ako nang di makawala.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh? How heavy is it? Huh?
Let's move.
Paktalato yan.
Hi guys. I caught a big fish.
Tawag niya. Kahoy. Hindi mo terkaraw.
Kahoy nga.
not even
monster fish.
fish.
Ne. Video ma.
Nasaan na?
Ne.
Nasaan? Let's see. Nasaan na? Ay, ayun.
Tuwaga siguro ato. Tuwaga. Dagutan na yun.
Ah, dalawa nga.
Got two.
Bato one isda.
Oh, there's two sana.
Natanggal yung isa.
My fish.
It's a double.
They got double, that's why it's heavy. Where's my...
That's a monster.
No, there's double, that's why it's heavy.
Hi guys. I got 9 fish.
Kahit kamay.
I got 9
Bakit
fish.
hindi kumati lang gusto na eh.
I got 9 big fish.
Ano tinaalam niyo?
Counted. It's not 9.
Yeah! Woo! Nagdagsunan! Ati tinalamin ni Iman niyo. Ayan.
And I got 1,
Ayan. Ang dami ti dadakkel.
2, 3,
Ati tidakkel may sa niyo.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
O 9 lang.
1, 2,
One in the bucket.
10!
10!
Ate, ano yan? Basta 20 ka kilo. Nagdagsan, Job. So, how we tulpit. They're heavy.
Bakit isa lang yung ano mo?
Bakit?
Yeah?
Yeah, yun,
No,
Huh?
let's let them free.